Roxy here with
Lori.
And today, what are we doing?
We're doing household items and packing items. So how are you guys? How was your week? And how was your day? How was your hour? How was your minute? How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. And if you're having, you know, like any problems or anything, I just hope that these videos make you smile a little bit. Just you know, if we could better the world or just make somebody's people day smile,
it makes
it's worth
a whole lot difference.
Me being on camera and having stomach issues. I'm so nervous. Okay, because as you know, at first when
we started, it was just me on the camera.
I was in the back. I was like, oh, I was petrified. So I'm petrified. But I'm new.
She's facing her fears for you guys. Being in front of the camera with me. We can start with this. I don't know.
Okay, so it's bubble wrap. Okay, so one bubble wrap like this, one, not two, not three, is $17. Okay. I bought this for packing my
packages.
Art because what I'm painting right now is 5 feet tall by 4 feet large, and I need, you know, good packing. This is way too expensive. Trash. Going back. Okay, I'll tell you guys 100%. We're very honest reviewers. If we think that, you know, there's a problem with something, we will tell you. Okay.
We will not keep it. Oh my God, Mugo.
We will. Mugo.
Mugo is famous for being on one of our shorts and just being his goofy self. Mugo, come here. Come here, Mugo. He is a big puppy. How old is he now?
He's almost one. This is Mugo. He just finished drinking water. Oh!
No. This is Mugo. He looks like a lion. He is Mabel's son. Yeah. I don't know if we showed on our channel before.
Mabel. This is Mugo, and he's just a lot of work because we have to brush him every day and put some conditioner and some this and this, but it's my moment with him.
Yeah. We love his hair. He loves his hair.
Yeah, he loves his hair. And I did the lion cut, so right now we don't see it, but it's long here, and then I cut it shorter here, so you know. So this is Mugo. Mugo, say hi.
Say hi, cuties. His hair's not done, but he is like his mother. He loves having his hair tied. That's why the top is so long, because we tie their hair. And yeah, go Mugo.
Okay, so he's probably gonna be walking around with a couple of bags that are here. Okay, so in the same
bag, the same hole.
Bag, this brown paper over here. You see, there's this much. I don't know how many.
It's $8.97.
Oh, okay, so they're going for a nice walk. That's why. It's I don't know how many inches or feet. But it's paper. For $8.97.
You get like.
No, don't.
I trust her. I don't
know. Okay, I'm gonna go to a packaging place, and that's where I'm gonna go buy my items.
It's small too. It's not wide.
Clearly, I have no idea what measurements I'm getting. Okay, I did check them very well, but I thought, oh wow, I'm getting such a good deal. Not so much.
From the past, we know that she buys small things for very big prices, like the pickle.
The pickle.
Ooh.
We have our trusty little
cutter.
Okay. So this I bought because I didn't want any coffee tables.
What?
I didn't want any coffee tables because it takes away space, and I need space because my two dogs are huge, and that's it.
She's not huge.
So this you put in the back of your TV, okay, and you just
don't smack me with it, please.
You put the feet like this, okay, and it does. You don't need anything, so you could put all your.
Oh my God, there's a little puppy on it.
It's $4.32.
And it's a little pouch. They have these little things that you put on top to close it, and it's so cute.
Isn't it cute?
It's like a travel pack, and there's 3 bags in one bag.
And look.
You can take them off So if you're traveling or sleeping over at somebody's house and you're like, oh, I just need my bathroom stuff. Oh, you grab it, you go to the bathroom, you stick it back on.
Isn't that cool?
You roll it back up and put it in your bag.
Sorry, I keep talking.
No, it's okay. Go ahead.
Guys, I don't know what's wrong with me.
Go.
Okay.
Good job.
Ow. Okay. This is really cool. For the price, $4.32. I couldn't believe it. I was so excited. Yeah. So, and it's made by even the. She makes sure it's perfect. Even the tag, you could take it off if you don't want people to see it. But it's from.
I guess you could put another tag.
Pochantu. Okay, listen. It's, let's read this. Pochacho. So, what does that mean? We don't know. But this is, what would we call this? Travel bag?
Yeah, a travel bag. No, you put this.
Yeah, I know.
I know you know. Sorry, Miss I know it all.
It's not Miss I know it all, it's Miss Know It All. It's just know it all.
Fail!
No! It was a very good item. It is a very good item.
Pass! We love this. So for the price, okay, you choose another one because I keep choosing everything. So you have fun.
Okay, I want this. It's another light.
It's a fill light. That's what they said. Fill light. Is that?
Yeah, fill light.
Fill light.
It's a light. We can show ours.
Okay, so because I don't know if you guys think our lighting is a bit better, but we got a fill light.
And this is another one, so we're gonna. It's
the same one. You could leave it in there, so
yeah.
I'll show you this one.
It's the same one. We need two because we only have one on one side, and so she looks wonderful, and like I have like bad lighting over here.
I'm like woo, and then you don't look good at all.
No, because you have the lighting. I'm saying.
Okay.
It's a very good light. The stand actually is super good. I need more
help than her to look good, so that's why.
No, you look beautiful.
No, we love each other. It's okay.
The stand on this one is so good quality. It's better than our tripod stand. That's how good it is. So, if you have a bad stand, you get a light and a stand. The stands are really nice on these.
And so you get two for $21.
Yeah.
2 fill lights for $21. When I went to look elsewhere for fill lights, they were not 2 for $21.
They were very expensive.
What's happening? Oh,
it was unscrewed. That's like, dangerous. Hazard. Okay.
Okay, anything, I'm just saying, like, anything that you buy that's electronics, electric, please don't leave it plugged in all the time.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
From
Temu? It's really important that you don't.
Bad.
Yeah, it could be dangerous. It could be a hazard. Yeah, and you get extra pieces, but I don't understand that.
Oh, okay, so we have this piece. I understand it. For once, I know something. We have this piece. And wait, and you screw this onto the tripod. So example, my finger is the tripod. You put it onto the tripod, and then you can move the light however you would like with the little ball here. So you can move the light. So if you want the light to be facing, example, you're an artist and you film your art and you want the light to be like this, facing the table, then you just move it and then it can be facing the table instead of your face.
Why didn't we put that piece on?
Because we put it on our faces.
Yeah, but it's up in the sky. Okay.
You want it to be downwards onto the table that they don't see? I don't understand.
I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed. It's okay. Okay, now open this one.
No, you open it. I open too.
This is for my dad.
Aw. Okay.
Because
$7.03.
He's going through things right now. And anything to make him smile.
I'll hold the box.
I'll get. So. Yeah, I can.
Okay, then I'll do it. You hold the box.
Good job.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Okay, is that?
Oh my god. Why is it so cute? Because he has a garden.
No, he has a chicken, like a duck and a chicken collection. And when I saw this, I said, how could he? How could he not? He's gonna laugh. I know him enough. So, isn't that the cute?
That's so cute.
She's got some little readers, and she's got a pearl necklace over here, and she's got a little bow, and she's,
And she's, laying down.
she's having a great day. So, he's having a little bureau, so a little office.
Oh, okay.
Okay, at all. If you say office in English,
Office in French is
bureau. So bureau.
Which is also funny because a desk in French is also bureau.
So
yeah.
So I don't know how he goes anymore, but how the okay. Oh no, it must be like this. Okay, so he's going back in the box and being shipped
all the way to our grandpa's house. Oh my gosh.
There we go. Okay, this is done. So this is going. Now you choose. Oh yeah. Oh,
I want this.
Okay, keep the bag.
$7.
Oh, it's a pass. Pass.
The duck is a pass. I don't know if we forget to do these, but it's a pass. The light too. Pass.
Pass. Yeah.
This is $7.
Yeah.
It's very big. It's a bath mat.
It's not a bath mat.
Or
it's
whatever.
to put in front of, you know what I bought you upstairs for in front of your sink?
Yeah?
So that was in front of the sink. Now, I love this, I don't know what we call
Texture?
them. No, no.
Checkers?
Yeah, the checkers.
Okay.
Okay, so there's supposed to be a line, a yellow line, which I did not notice in the ad because I got excited. I clicked. Now the yellow line keeps there. Oops, it leaves here. It comes back here.
Okay, yeah.
And then there's some, like, these kinds of
colors,
yellows and blues that I don't have in my house. So this is not for
trash
me.
for us, but a pass for the quality. If it's your style, it's a pass.
I don't know, like even the yellow. Well, no, because look, it's not.
The line doesn't continue.
Yeah.
The line is like it was designed as a square, and then.
And how much did I pay?
$7.
Yeah, $7.70. No,
$7.70.
no. It's but for me, it's a trash. She might say it's a pass, but
I mean, the quality is a pass. It's in between.
She's in between.
Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle.
So
crinkle,
yeah,
crinkle, little star.
that's going back.
Don't break the bag.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Okay, next item. Ow! That. Look at the price.
It was free, but we got it for $2.69.
It's not free, and we got it for $2.69.
Oh,
We got it for free. People pay $2.69.
sorry.
I'm not gonna say anything until she tells me what she. Excuse me, I need to go get some tissue.
I have no idea what this is. You can't even open it.
There we go.
It's an orange, or in French, in clémentine, in orange.
Orange. So if you want to say an
Clementine.
orange is orange.
Yeah. Orange is orange, and if you think this is a clementine, then it's clémentine. I just said fancier. And I think it's for flowers.
Yeah, it's for flowers.
It's cute, no? It's a bit goofy.
Do you say a pass or
I say the quality is like trash.
trash?
Because you can see the line of the plastic. It's not very thick. It looks like a toy.
It really looks. This is like
toy.
a plastic toy.
Literally.
So I guess if you, I don't know, for $2 and something, you could put it outside.
Yeah, for a cute thing. But it looks like those plastic foods that you have in your kid's kitchen.
Exactly. It looks like kid food on the
Like
play
it's the
food.
same thing.
So
we vote trash. I mean, if it's a little thing for outside, I
Trash.
guess, but it's not worth the while. I mean, you better get something that you actually like.
yeah,
Your
so
money's worth.
I'll give it to the little ones downstairs.
Yeah.
It's in plastic, and they put it in their kitchen. They'll love that. So Okay.
So that's good. You pick something else. I'll crinkle while you crinkle.
I got these.
What is it?
These are coasters.
Ooh.
Okay, so
Wooden coasters.
wood, but very cheap, thin
I feel
wood.
like you can break it in 5 seconds.
Yeah, it's $3.57. Once again, I thought, oh wow, it looked amazing. They said in wood and everything, so I thought, wow, this must be like 3D and this must be ceramic, but no, this is just simply,
just wooden, like really thin.
yeah. So for me, for $3.57, the thing is, I like the design.
It's the quality that's
that's not so great. But you know what? At the end of the day, I'm gonna keep them.
It's an easy thing.
We're gonna put it on a table, whatever, and people use it. Anyways, I keep changing them. So
we change our coasters and our style and our stuff all the time. So
okay.
Is it another, like, oh, it's a blanket or something, or like a towel? This is, sorry,
There's
$6.75. Is there 2?
Yeah.
These are for the kitchen.
Yeah, just to wipe your hands. So
they're good quality.
Yeah,
they're thick.
I always do this. I don't know why. I put them like this. I fold them like this, and then I put them like this.
Oh wow, that's so fancy. I just do this, and I put it like this.
Oh, okay. Well, however you
do it is fine. The quality is good.
The quality is fine. I mean, you see that it's like a spray painted on it. It's not completely in the material, but always they're like this. Now, $6.75
for 2. Our local Dollarama, because we don't have Dollar Tree, sadly, it would be like $3 for 4.
Yeah.
But it wouldn't be the same style.
But they wouldn't have this. And this is a bit like Alice in Wonderland. The look of Alice in Wonderland.
True.
And another thing I like a lot is Alice in Wonderland. I think it's pretty amazing. Anyways, for me, it's a pass. It's a it's good.
Pass or trash? It's good. Pass.
Okay, pass. So, yeah. So that's...
You pick the next one. There's one last thing.
Is it?
This are, how do you call these? $19.09. These are the things that you put under your plates. The,
Placemats, and we call it in French. Wait, don't crinkle at the same time.
Okay, go.
Napperon. Placemat, napperon. Which does not sound at all the same.
Why does it smell like that?
Well, it comes... It's hay. Like, basically it's hay. It smells like hay. It doesn't smell like chemical. It really does smell like hay. So.
It smells like you're at the farm, kind of.
Except without the eggs.
Welcome to our farm, everyone.
Because we have a very, like, farmhouse look. Like, everything's wooden and, oh my god. There you have hay on your, my leggings. They're very nice, though.
They're pretty thick, but they do smell. They do smell. How long are these going to last? I do not know. Are they worth $19? Absolutely. Because if I was going to go into one of the boutiques in our area,
for like
this would probably be $40 to $60 for 6. So this is, for me, is a good buy. A piece just flew in my
Except for
hand.
the smell.
Yeah, the smell. Guys.
Just, you know.
I personally like the smell of hay.
Yeah, well, it smells like hay.
Because it's, besides the hay all over ourselves, that was our, what was it? Home decor.
Home decor.
Decor.
Okay, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
Press the notification bell. Hey, I'm getting good.
Getting good. Go ahead.
Comment.
Yeah.
Tell us what we should do or shouldn't do.
Yeah.
Tell us if you want us to review something. If you found something and you say, you know what, I don't,
comment, send the link.
Send the link, comment, or something.
Our email is linked below as well. Communicate with us. We answer. And that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. We love you, cuties.
We love you, Cutie Crew.